Hello everyone, this is quick demo of placement module in Concept Ninjas. So currently I'm the inquiry page. So basic idea of placement module is to share the placement opportunity to the candidates who are studying in your institutes, and they can in turn show the interest and share their resume with you, and you can process it for the next level. Okay. So in admissions, when the candidates has taken the admission, those are shown in the admissions page. From the admissions page, you can mark them as placement ready. So here is the button. By here, you can mark them as placement ready. Once the candidate has been marked as placement ready, they will move to the placement module. So you can see the list of candidates who are placement ready in your institute under placement ready. Okay, this is the list of candidate. So once candidate has moved to placement ready, what you have to do is you can give them a particular job tag. Suppose your candidate is of Java, you give the particular job tags to the candidate. So here I am taking the candidate, and from here I can assign the job tags. Now this job tags will be defined in my profile. So you can add the job profile in your my profile section, and from there this job tags will be picked. So you can define the job tags based on the courses that you run in your institutes. So I'm marking Veena as HR manager and HR assistants. Okay, so you have to define the job tags of each and every candidate of your placement ready list. So my list of candidate is ready now. As a next step, whatever job that I want to share with the candidate, I have to create that job under job postings. Okay. So here I will create the job as, say, HR manager. Okay. And here I will put the job JD, whatever the JD is for my particular job. So I will put it as, say, HR manager activities, whatever the complete JD you can put. Okay, complete JD, whatever the skill set. So every details, whatever is in JD, you should put here. You can copy paste here. Then for which company I am hiring, suppose I'm hiring for Google. So this particular job posting is for Google, and my job tags are for this is HR manager, HR assistant. Then what is the minimum experience level required for this job? Say 3 to 5 years. And what is the job location? So I'm putting it as Pune. Position type, full-time, part-time, contract. Then what is the minimum salary? So I'm putting it 2 to 3.5. Okay. Then contact person name is of the company. For which company we are hiring? So in Google, who is my contact person? So I'm putting it as ABC. I want the ABC at suppose gmail.com. Okay. Contact person's mobile number. Then who is the job owner? Job owner will be your team member. Who is the job owner of this team? So when you will run the analytics, you will be able to know that who has handled this job to close the position. Suppose I'm picking Tamalika from my team. What is the job status of this job? So we have 3 job status: in process, placed, and closed. So in process means we are currently working on this job. By default, this is the job status. Email ID for communication. So any email ID, if you want to share, you can put it here. Okay. Suppose I'm putting it as solution@conceptninjas.com. So this will be the email ID for communication post job. So this number was not correct, putting it as 9 post job. So my job is ready to post it. Now for this job, I need to send notification to the candidate so that they can share their interest with me. Okay. So what I can do is, so my job is job title is HR manager, job description, company name, location. These all information has to be shared with my candidates. So for this, what I can do is I will click on this send job details to the candidate. I will click on this. This will show up the list of the candidates. Okay, list of the candidates for which the job tags are matching. My job has the job tags as HR manager, HR assistant. So from placement ready candidates for my institute, all the candidates who have been allotted the job tags as HR manager or HR assistants are shown up in the list. Okay, so these are the candidates with that job tags. So suppose I have 100 candidates and out of 20 only have this matching job tags, those matching candidates will be shown here. Okay. So I am selecting the candidates. I can select all also, and I can select a particular candidate also to with which I want to share the job notification. So this here I can preview what email is going to share with the candidate. So this is the your logo will come here. Then the email has the all the job details, job ID, job title, job description. The complete job description that you put will come here. Company name, position type, salary range, experience, job location, interview date. If you put the interview date, you can put here. If you don't, then it can be TBD. And interest and thanks and regards. Okay, then close and then send. So job notification will be shared with the candidates. Okay, when the candidate will receive the job notification. So here I have kept the email ID as info@conceptninjas.com. Waiting for the email. So here I can also check if the email was to which all the candidates with whom job notification has been shared. So it gets logged in here. So here you can see that I have shared the job notification with Rishabh, info@conceptninjas.com. This is the mobile number, what was the job title, what was the status, and what was, and the after status, what was the date. Okay. So you can see that job opportunity HR manager. So this kind of email candidate will receive. After candidate has got the email, they can click on click here. If they are interested, they will see all the details and they can click on click here. When they click on click here, a form gets opened. Okay, where they can put their, if they want to edit their any detail, what they are doing and those things, they can edit detail and they can upload their resume and those resume will be shared with you. They can click on submit. When they click on submit, so all those candidates who will be interested for your job, you will click on the interested button and after that they can upload their resume. So under job posting of the same job, when you go to the manage candidate, you will be able to see all those candidates who have shown interest in the job. Okay, so Rishabh with the email ID, mobile number, status interested, pending payment reminder email shared with the candidates. If suppose candidate has any payment pending for any course they are pursuing in their institute, the reminder will be shared. Okay, you can also download the resume. From here, if you want to share this resume, you like the resume and you see that he is he's eligible for this job, you can click here and this resume will be shared with the HR of that company. So the HR's detail that we have listed earlier while creating the job, to that HR, this resume will be shared. Okay, from here you can also maintain the status of the candidate for yourself. You can see that here in the status, you can say that resume shared with the HR. It is coming as because you have clicked the button. You can click after resume shared. Suppose the resume has been in process, you can click that interview schedule. Like if they like the resume, they can schedule the interview and you can put that interview has been scheduled. Interview scheduled. If you have date on suppose 20th November. So you can keep an eye. You can keep on updating the details of all the candidates of this particular job that you are working on. Suppose after the interview, the candidate has cleared the interview. So you can edit and you can say that offer letter issued. Okay. After offer letter issued, suppose the candidate has joined the company. Then you can click the candidate has joined, like placed in this particular job. After a candidate is placed, after you have closed the job, no further job notification will be sent to this particular candidate. So this candidate has been placed. Okay, you can see that this candidate has been placed. You can also draw reports in this. So in placement ready, you can see a report column, right? When you will click on this report, you will be seeing the candidate wise report, right? For how many, like for this particular candidate, how many job notification were shared, and in how many job notification they have shown the interested. Suppose this is 0. Suppose we are talking about this Rishabh one. So how many job notification to this candidate has been shared, and for how many has shown the interest, for how many he has been placed. So you can see that particular the Google job he has been placed. So these are the data that we share in the report. You can also export this report in Excel. So this is something to manage the placement life cycle of the candidate in your institute, whoever are pursuing any course in your institute. If you have any further question, you can contact us. Thank you.